How to recover lost data of Mac hard drives. Corrupted Mac HFS solid-state drive. Looking for a simple way to recover deleted files on your Mac? Then stay tuned. In this video, we'll discuss how to get those files back. Because even when things are deleted, they aren't always completely gone. First, you'll need to know the reasons for corruption before you proceed to fix the problem. There are various factors which result in corruption and affect accessibility. Some common reasons for corruption are irregular formatting of hard drive, improper ejection of the external SSD drive, reinstalling operating system, sudden power loss, deletion of APFS containers or HFS partition, abnormal system shutdown due to crash, hardware failure. Recovering the Mac data can be a challenging task. Oftentimes many users lose some part while recovering the data from their hard drives. But don't worry, we have a simple technique for you. With the SysInfo Mac data recovery, you can recover all the data in a single click and with 100% accuracy. The tool is widely used all over the world to recover data lost on HFS SSDs. It is capable of recovering almost every type of data on the drive. Exclusive features of the software. Recover the deleted Mac files with ease and supports recovery from Mac hard drives containing HFS and HFS plus file systems on Windows OS. The tool restores permanently deleted files in their original form, including documents, photos, music, videos and all other data of any file format. The tool is 100% secure and there is no chance of data alteration or data loss. Support both partition table formats, MBR, master boot record, and GPT, with partition table. It comes with 3 recovery modes that are standard, advanced and deep, for recovering maximum possible data. Simple and easy to use interface, hence, requires no prior technical knowledge. One can perform recovery of Mac data files in raw recovery mode, and this is extremely helpful in case of lost volumes. The tool is compatible with almost all versions of Windows. Working on the software. Download the tool. We have given the download link in the description. Run the tool, and select the drive that you want to recover and then click Next. The volume details will appear, click Next. Select the recovery mode, select Deep or Advanced option if you want to recover highly corrupted files. Then click Next. After the scanning process completed, click OK. Choose the desired tree structure. If you want to restore all the files, then choose the root option. Then click on the Save button. Now select the location where you want to save the recovered files. Finally, click on the Save button. Click OK once the scanning process is completed. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.